At carwashnearme.org, we recently had the opportunity to visit Caliber Car Wash in Saraland, Alabama. This facility stood out for its meticulous cleanliness and state-of-the-art technology. It's clear that they prioritize both quality and eco-friendliness in their services. The vacuums and cleaning equipment were in excellent condition, making the cleaning process both efficient and effective. What really set this location apart was the staff's exceptional customer service. They were notably friendly and professional, actively offering assistance and enhancing the overall experience. The car wash process itself was top-notch, with a thorough approach that left our vehicle in pristine condition. We were particularly impressed with Caliber's commitment to environmentally responsible methods, a practice we greatly value at carwashnearme.org. In addition to the basic services, Caliber Car Wash offers amenities like tire air, mat cleaners, and detailing air at each station, creating a comprehensive service experience. However, we did note the absence of an ultimate package that would offer a completely hands-off cleaning experience, as customers currently need to vacuum their vehicles themselves. Overall, our visit to Caliber Car Wash in Saraland was highly satisfactory. The combination of superior service, excellent facilities, and a commitment to sustainability truly makes it stand out. For anyone in Saraland, Alabama looking for a reliable, high-quality car wash, we highly recommend Caliber Car Wash.